Mae prentisiaid yn rhoi blas ar lwyddiant i fecws bryd. Dydy'r siop goffi ar becw staneg poblogaidd yng Nghaerdydd, Bryd, ddim wedi edrych yn ôl ers iddynt gyflogi eu prentisiaid cyntaf yn fuan ar ôl agor y busnes 4 blynedd yn ôl. A shortage of skilled bakers and a desire to train employees in Danish artisan baking techniques prompted the business founder Bettina Skovbro to introduce foundation apprenticeships and apprenticeships in proficiency in baking industry skills, delivered by learning provider Cambrian Training. The growing business has 2 apprentices and reinvests profits. Nod cwmni rheoli cadwyni cyflenwi o Bontepŵl, Freight Logistics Solutions, yw dyblu'r trosiant a'r gweithlu yn y 5 mlynedd nesaf, gyda chymorth rhaglen brentisiaethau gref. Mae gan brentisiaid ran allweddol yn cynlluniau'r cwmni logisteg i dyfu. Specialising in global freight transport solutions, FLS was launched in 2016 and has 7 apprentices who undertake an apprenticeship in business administration, delivered by Torfaen Training, supported by an internal development programme. The apprenticeship programme is integral to the company growth, service standards and sales strategies. Trwy ymrwymo i brentisiaethau, mae gwesty'r Harbour Master yn Abereiron yn llwyddo i gynnal 40 o weithwyr medrus a brwd. Faced with a hospitality sector skills shortage, the independently owned hotel, bar and restaurant is growing its own skilled staff to deliver quality customer care and visitor experience. Cambrian Training delivers apprenticeships from level 2 to 4 for the hotel, which has 11 apprentices and plans to recruit more in the future.